Hi friend, I am Dipsya. Today I am going to say how to create a guard mode in Windows 10. Guard mode is the terms used to describe this easily activated folder that contains links to all the settings on Windows system. So let's go to how to create a guard mode folder. First you go to the desktop, right click, you go to new, you go to folder option. A blank folder is created. Now first, for the GodMode creation we want a code. By the help of some code we create a GodMode folder. So to follow this code you can give any name, GodMode any name. I am giving GodMode, and you copy this whole code, go to the folder which was created by you, right click, go to rename and paste this name. After pasting this, click enter or return, then it's created. This is the guard mode option. In this guard mode, when you open this, click on this, double click, it's so too many options, just like administrative tools. This is the just like doing like a shortcut. Admin tools, AutoPlay, BitLocker, color management, Credential, date and time option, device and printers, edges of access center, file history, font, internet option, keyboard option, mouse option, network and sharing center, phone and modem, battery option. We also see different type of option is showing in this single screen. Your system may have some slight variation based on your hardware. It's a different type of system, it's in different time, but this is the features. This is the hidden feature, I think. But when we create a God mode folder, it's open on this and we see all the features in the same folder. Thanks.